Hello, word listeners. Welcome back to another exciting episode. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into a very common, yet useful word, brush. Brush is an A2 level verb, and it means to clean or arrange using a brush. It's a word we use almost every day, so let's explore it further. We use the word brush to describe the action of using a brush to clean, tidy, or smooth something. Think about brushing your teeth, brushing your hair, or even brushing crumbs off a table. The key is that a brush is the tool being used for the action. Now, let's look at some synonyms for brush. A close synonym for brush when talking about cleaning is clean. For example, instead of saying I need to brush my teeth, you could say I need to clean my teeth. Another synonym, particularly when talking about tidying hair, is comb. We can say, he combed his hair neatly before the interview. Or, he used a brush to comb his hair neatly before the interview. We can also use the word sweep, especially when describing cleaning a surface. Instead of I need to brush the floor, you could say I need to sweep the floor. Keep in mind, while clean, comb, and sweep share similar meanings, they aren't always interchangeable with brush. The specific context matters. Now, let's consider some antonyms for brush. An antonym in the sense of cleaning could be dirty. Instead of brushing something to clean it, you might dirty it, meaning to make something unclean. Another antonym in the sense of tidying could be tangle. If you don't brush your hair, it might tangle. Imagine saying, if you don't brush your hair, it will tangle into knots. And finally, an antonym, meaning the opposite of smoothing, could be ruffle. To ruffle means to disturb the smoothness of something. For example, the wind ruffled his carefully brushed hair. How can we use brush in everyday life? Well, think about your morning routine. You probably brush your teeth, maybe brush your hair. You might brush snow off your car in the winter. A common expression is give something a brush, which means to quickly clean something. For example, I'll give the table a brush before dinner. Another common phrase is a brush with fame, which means a brief encounter with fame. We use it to describe situations like meeting a celebrity briefly. Some example sentences and phrases are, remember to brush your teeth twice a day. She brushed the dust off the old book. He used a soft brush to clean the delicate painting. Can you brush the crumbs off the table, please? I need to buy a new hairbrush. The artist used a fine brush to paint the details. He had a brush with the law when he was younger. I gave the jacket a quick brush before going out. The dog loves to be brushed. She brushes up on her Spanish before her trip. So, to summarize, brush is a versatile verb meaning to clean or arrange using a brush. We explored synonyms like clean, comb, and sweep, and antonyms like dirty, tangle, and ruffle. We also saw how brush is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful. Remember to subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn new words. Now, for your homework, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word brush and share it as a comment under this video. We love to see how you're using the words we discuss. Until next time, keep learning.